With regard to Iran, now that there is a nuclear agreement, we have to realize that the process of negotiating that nuclear agreement, let alone the nuclear agreement itself, has served to overshadow and, in fact, sanitize the other 4 Iranian threats, which continue and continue as threats to international peace and security. I'm referring to the terrorist threat, where Iran is the leading global state sponsor of terrorism. I'm referring to the hegemonic threat in terms of Iran's aggressive hegemonic conduct in the Middle East and beyond. I'm referring to the incitement threat, where you have state-sanctioned incitement to hate and genocide as a standing violation of the Genocide Convention. And I'm referring in particular to the massive domestic repression in Iran, whether it be the singling out and targeting of the Baha'i or the gender apartheid and the like. I have to tell you that when I would go to university campuses, when I would speak about the Iranian nuclear threat, very often students would roll their eyes. But if you spoke to them about the massive domestic repression, if you spoke to them of the singling out and targeting of religious and ethnic and cultural minorities with respect to the discrimination against women, with respect to the execution of children, with respect to the fact that Iran executes more people per capita than any other country in the world today, and that this has doubled the rate of execution, more than doubled under the moderate Rouhani, then they begin to get the point. That the danger is of giving a country that so massively represses its own citizens that allow that country to become a nuclear threshold state. So we have to reframe the way we are making the cases in that regard.